Yes, you are right. The door is opening, and we are about to begin the admission process in the inner circle, right? Something that you all have been waiting for quite some time now, right? But as I said, there were many, hindrances and many administrative issues that actually caused the delay. But now the delay is over, almost over, right? And I decided to have a candid talk, just one-on-one talk, heart to heart talk with you, right? So my name is Nishant, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon whenever you are watching this video, and namaste. And as you can see that we are about to begin the process, right? So I thought that let's have few words, and so that we understand each other better, so that we understand the program, so that we understand whether you are fit to be part of this or not, right? It's not like those that it's meant for anyone and everyone. No, it's not. I am not promoting or advertising or even conveying anything on TIC outside TFS group. Why? Because TFS, the TFS Facebook group, they know the culture, they know the approach, they know the understanding. So they are at some plane, with our thought process. So that is why this program is only for those who are in TFS Facebook group and who know, what we have been doing, what we are doing, what we stand for, what are what's the culture, right, that we believe in. So I thought that let's create a small presentation and let's take you through it, so that by the time it ends, whether you have to do it or not, right? So let's begin. Now, as you can see, but is this door for you? So yes, the door is opening, but is this door for you? It's a very, very important question. And as I said, it's not something that is meant for anyone and everyone. TIC is a well-knitted family of 500 plus members, right? And as I said, it's a family. So we have to take immense care, right, in taking anybody into that family, because family is a protected unit, right? A family is a closed group. So that is why, this presentation, that is why all this talk. Otherwise, I can just, straight away, we can just reply to the emails and all that. But we decided to talk to you first, right? So is this door for you? Let's find out. Do not join TIC. Yes, you read it right. Do not join TIC. You must be feeling surprised because generally people want you to join their programs, their, services. But as I said, we are very, very protected family and very, very serious family, very, very dedicated and focused family. So we have to take immense care, in new entries and, who we take, the mindset, everything, right? So do not join TIC if you are not aware of TFS culture and approach. As I said previously, this group is for those who have been with us in TFS Facebook group for quite some time. And they know what we do, they know the depth, they know the approach, right? They know that we are not some run-of-the-mill group teaching some strategy or some indicator or something like that. No. So we at TFS, right from the day one, right? If you have seen my money control interview, if you have seen my online trading summit talks, if you have seen my videos, at least by now you are aware that my approach is a bit different, little deeper, right? Because trading, as I believe, is not something that you can learn like anything else. No. To do good trading, you have to become a trader. You have to be the person who can trade well. So that softer aspect of making you, transforming you into a person who can trade well, who can think in a way which is conducive to the right kind of trading. That is my approach at TFS, and that is the approach, the core approach, the fundamental principle, the foundation at TIC. We focus on the person. We focus on his thoughts, his belief system, right? Because understanding charts, understanding technical knowledge, that's the easy part. The difficult part is to become that person who can use that knowledge effectively. So those who have been with us in TFS, they know that, right? So we are not, open for outsiders. We are not open for complete strangers, right? So this is one point. The second thing is that do not join TIC if you are looking for some quick fix strategy or indicator. Financial markets is actually a fish market. Everybody is trying to sell something, right? And I'm not against it, because if somebody has prepared something, he should charge for it, right? And if you want to know that, you should pay for it. That's not the point. The point is that, due to, call it social media noise, call it the millennial culture, that, we are looking for quick fixes. We have what I call a Maggie mindset, right? But trading is not something that you can do with a Maggie mindset. You have to have biryani mindset. It takes great amount of effort, ingredients and time to cook a wonderful biryani. So, we are not some formula based or some indicator based or something, that do this, do that. No. The core objective of TIC is to actually inculcate everything that it takes to become a good trader, that it takes, to understand financial markets and to act, and all sorts of mental issues and biases that, that come along with it. So we are focused, holistically to the subject of trading. So if you are ready for that, only then, you can think of joining. Otherwise, if you are looking for some ADX formula or some RSI formula or some MACD formula or some price action component, you will get all of that. What I'm trying to say is that you will get all of that. But to use that, you have to be some special one, right? And our focus is majorly on that part. Do not join TIC if you are too much into social media noise. What I mean by social media noise is that, trading is a serious business. It's a serious profession. And, the way novice traders behave these days, they subscribe to hundreds of channels on YouTube, follow countless handles on Twitter, many Facebook groups, many Telegram groups. And that is noise. Because when you have information overload, that is a serious problem. Lack of information is a problem, but abundance of information is also a problem. And that too when it is contradictory in nature, right? So if you are that social media kind of, person who is always into, oh, let me tweet this, or let me tweet that. I did a trade, let me do this, let me do that. Let me ask somebody what Nifty is going to do. So if you are that kind of person, TIC is not the place for you, right? It's a very, very sacrosanct entity where we change people, where we influence them for better, right? It's a long process. It's a serious process. So only serious people are welcome, right? Do not join TIC, if you don't know anything. We are very, very beginner friendly. When you will see the content, you will see that we will take you from the tick level, every single tick that happens in the price, the bid, ask, everything. But you should not be, so ignorant or, so at such a level where you don't even know what a share is, what a stock is. So we are not catering to that. If you know how to open a chart, if you have a trading account, if you know how to open a chart, that's all we want. But if you don't have a trading account and if you want to ask how to open a trading account, right, that is not what TIC is for. So we are a beginner friendly entity. We are a beginner friendly family. Our content is beginner friendly. No second thought about that. But you should be aware of the very, very basic things, that what is a share, what is a stock, what is the last traded price, things like that. What is LTP, basic stuff. So you must know that. And I hope everybody knows that, right? If you don't even know that, then I don't think that, there is no point even trying to learn the right methods. First, you should read some basic finance book and, get onto that. Next point is that if you can't work seriously hard and are just casually wondering, oh, let me see what they teach. All the aura around TIC that are members, 500 members, they experience such drastic change in their own personalities, in their own trading, in how they carry themselves, not just in markets, but in life. So they share all that, right? In fact, our testimonials, many testimonials you must have seen. So you must have seen how enthusiastic, and how vibrant people are towards TIC, right? So it's natural that you feel that मैं देखता हूँ क्या सिखा ऐसा भी क्या सिखाते हैं, so if you have that kind of mindset, if you just want to check us out, if I may say so, do not join. It's a very, very serious program, very, very serious program. It takes immense amount of efforts to create content, and most of the content, as you will see when you will join, is copyrighted, right? That's why it took so much time. So it takes effort, immense amount of effort. So only seriousness will survive. We only want people who want to do it, who have that dedication in their heart, that this is the dream of their life, that this is they want to do, that they have made the decision that this is what they want to do, come what may. They are ready to do anything and everything. They are not in it for a jackpot trade. No, they are in it for life. So that is the kind of crowd we are seeking. All in all, if you are not passionate and dedicated enough, do not join TIC. Passion and dedication is very, very important, because during the process of learning, the process of learning is not easy. Let's say you learn few things, then you have confusions, and we take care of all that in the content as well. We teach you how to treat confusions in your head, that how to play with your own mindset. We teach all that. But the point is that if you are not dedicated enough, you will not be able to survive through that phase. It's just like you want to be a cricketer. Just because Sachin Tendulkar has a red Ferrari, if you want to be a cricketer due to that, then you will never be a cricketer, because it will involve hard work through several nights, days, months, years, without being rewarded, without being recognized, right? So you will not be able to persevere through that phase, which is required if you are in it just for quick money, right? So these are the things. If you identify with any of these pointers, do not join. But if you think that you have dedication, you have focus, you have what it takes, and you have decided, for once and all, you have decided that this is what I want to do, then TIC is the place for you. So prerequisites, right? That what should be there beforehand before you join TIC? You must be ready for a serious process of transformation. As I said that, you can only do when you be. Being a trader is more important than learning to trade. You must be confused with this statement, but you want to become a detective, right? But you have to have certain knack within you, that's ever since your childhood, you have been, you love spying things, you love investigating. So you have to have that certain knack within you. Only then a professional education of being a detective will help you. You must be ready to come with an empty cup. You all must have heard that story of a Zen monk, that a student goes to him, and the teacher pours tea into the student's cup, and he keeps on pouring, and the cup, overflows, the tea starts overflowing and, spilling out. And the student says, "Oh, but the cup is already filled, right? Why are you pouring tea?" And the teacher says, "That's what your mind is like. It's already so full of ideas that whatever I'm trying to teach you now is not finding its place. It's spilling out." So, as we candidly say in TIC that I am like a potter. My job is like a potter. I make pottery of clay, right? People are the clay. You are the clay. And I am here to make a pottery out of that. But for me to be able to make that pottery, the clay must be wet. If the clay is already hard, if it already has hard-bound ideas and opinions, then I cannot do anything with it. I will not be able to mold it, right? So you should be moldable. You should come with a flexible and open and empty cup, right? You must be willing to immerse yourself in the ocean of knowledge, which is made up of hours and hours of content, be it videos, audios, or text. TIC is not easy. I'm saying again and again. See, what different kind of video is this? I'm not saying come join TIC, we will change your life, you will make immense amount of money. No, we are not saying that. We are giving you the realistic picture that what it takes, right? So you must be willing to immerse yourself. If you look at our TICNs, our existing students, they are back to their student life. They take printouts of my posts and ebook and many other things, and they immerse themselves in that study every night. So they read for a couple of hours, right? So that is what it takes. It's not a casual go through webinar, 1 hour 2 hour webinar that you learn a strategy and now you are good to go. Now you feel that you can win the world. Well, you can't. But if you believe that, then this is not the place for you, right? I'm remembering a shlok, a Sanskrit shlok, and it said, Sukharthinah kuto vidya, Sukharthinah kuto vidya, Vidyarthinah kuto sukham, Sukharthi vatyajet vidya, Vidyarthi vatyajet sukham. So those who are seeking comfort, they can never get knowledge. Those who are seeking knowledge should be ready to sacrifice comfort, right? So if you are looking for comfort, you must sacrifice the desire to have knowledge. And if you are seeking knowledge, then you must be ready to sacrifice comfort, even for a temporary amount of time. But you must be ready to do so, right? Look at athletes, look at sports people, look at all the achievers in life. You know them when they achieve something. But all those sleepless nights, all those burning of midnight oil, you didn't see that. Right? So TIC will push you to work hard. And you have to do that. Only then you will be able to extract the true worth out of this program. Right? I'm remembering another shlok. Yeah, so it's a candid talk and as I said, heart to heart. And it said, Kak cheshtha bako dhyanam shwan nidra tathaiv chaha alpahari grah tyagi vidyarthi panchalakshanam. So Kak cheshtha. Kak means a crow. The curiosity of a crow. You must have the curiosity of a crow. You almost have heard that story, where a crow approaches a vessel where the water is at the bottom, right? And he's curious and he wants to, have that water. And he does all kinds of things and he gets an idea. He puts stone pebbles into the vessel till the water level comes up, right? Curiosity. So a student must have that curiosity. Kak cheshtha. Bako dhyanam. Bako means a bagula or a heron, crane. Bako dhyanam. The focus of a crane, the focus of a heron. Have you ever seen a saras or a bagula, the heron or a crane? They snipe into the water. They look in the water, they keep looking, and within a snap of a second, they put their beak in the water and come back again with a fish. So focus of a crane. Shwan nidra. Ever seen a dog sleeping? Right? I mean, even a little instance of a noise, even a distant noise, it wakes him up. Right? So he's always attentive. That's how a student should be. Alpahari. So eat less because you need more mental energy. So eat to survive. Do not live to eat. Grahatyagi. So in the older days, students had to leave their homes and go to gurukuls and ashrams. But in the present context, when I say Grahatyagi, I mean that even when you are within your home, you should dedicate certain amount of time for study. Right? You should have a corner that is dedicated for your studies. It's a ritual. Right? It's a ritual. Like you have a temple, like you have, some other place. Similarly, have a corner, have an area, have a room, whatever it is for you to study, and study every single day. Fix a time for yourself. Because TIC will offer you so much of knowledge and wisdom that you will not be able to grasp it if you do not work hard. Right? You must be mature enough to consider trading as a serious profession and not some lottery ticket, obviously. So if you are, one of those who think that trading is the easiest way to make money, no, it's a business. It's a business, right? So you have to have that business mindset. And that's why I said that we are only open for TFS members, because they know what it means, because I have been doing posts, on these psychological aspects for a long time, right? So these are the things and you must be ready to become a diligent and focused student again. It's like going back to school once again. So most of the people, once their school is over, college is over, now they are on to some job, they have a family, they do not remain a student, right? They get so immersed into their day-to-day life that they do not remain a student. So TIC will push you to become a student again. So you must ask yourself, are you ready for it? Right? So these are the prerequisites. Now, what is TIC, right? So TIC is a gold mine of wisdom for serious enthusiasts, not just market, but many other softer aspects of life too, be it attitude, motivation, business, or life itself. And TIC goes way beyond just markets and can only be experienced. When you looked at the testimonials of people, you must have found that one line, one phrase is common in all the testimonials, and it was their own experience. And that one phrase was that, TIC is not just about markets. Because it's not. Because you want to become a trader, right? When you will sit in front of a screen, when you trade, it is you who's trading, right? And you cannot be different outside the market and inside the market. That, I have this personality when I'm trading and I have this personality when I'm not trading. No. Your overall personality, your overall attitude, everything is responsible for your success as a trader. So that is why, in TIC, we have to focus on all the aspects. We cannot just focus on trading. That will be, a very, very tunnel view of trading and life. So this is one thing. Second, it is not a static course or a weekend webinar, but much more than that. Hence, right mindset is required. You must all remember that I announced that we will do a course, but then TIC started. And the way it turned out, it became much more effective than a course. Why? Because it is not static. When we make a course, let's say I make 50 videos that you have to watch, that's static, right? That you can just see that. But here it's not static, because here you have all those videos, you will get all those learnings that you will get in a course, structured part, but you will also learn the unstructured part, my day-to-day thoughts and talks about different aspects of life that you will not get in a course. So it's as good as a course and little better. It's a repository of content containing the content made till now and new content being added continuously, hence dedication is required. Right? So a lot has happened and you have to be at the same plane. And I am with you. I am with you, and not just me. We have a concept called buddy mentors, right? So me along with some 20-30 intelligent members. When I say intelligent, everybody is intelligent, but when I say intelligent, I mean those who have the grasp over the content, as it is meant to be, who have interpreted the content in the right manner, and who have the ability to teach. So we all will be hand holding you. We all will take you through the content and, ensure that you get at the same plane with the existing members. But dedication is required, right? You have to be very, very full of perseverance and dedication. It's a community of some very serious fellow traders who eat, drink, live, breathe and sleep the wisdom, while cutting off all the distractions which surround most market enthusiasts. As I said previously that, most just open Twitter and you will see. People are so busy tweeting stupid things, right? Either they are criticizing someone or they are, doing useless tweets, and then they say they want to be a trader. This is not how it goes. It's a big endeavor. It's a big venture. It's a big decision of your life. You have to be serious, right? So all our TICians, current members, when you will know them, when you will see them working, they are so dedicated. Hats off to them. That they are living TIC. They are living everything that is being taught in TIC. So that kind of dedication is required. I hope you are getting the feel of what I'm saying. All in all, it's a well-knitted family, and we take immense care as to who do we take in the family. So I explained that part before. Let's move on. our structure, right? How TIC is structured. It is based on a Telegram platform, right? So we are based on Telegram because that offers us to make groups and channels and all that. So we are based on Telegram. So you obviously, if you want to join TIC, you must have Telegram installed in your phone. Now TIC was intended to be unstructured, and that's what was committed to the members, but it turned out to be immensely structured as it began. When we started TIC initially, I said that TIC is going to be a place where I will share my random thoughts about trading on day-to-day basis and all that initially. And then some 300-400 members joined us. And when I started sharing things, I realized even on the day one that there is no way that I can share my random thoughts with them unless they are at the same level where my thoughts are. They have to be well versed with the lingo, with the terminology that I use in my trading. Unless they know all of that, the depth of it and the width of it, how will they be able to understand my talks? So right from the day when I understood it, and though we intended to be random, but we turned to be structured. And as I said, better than a course, because I realized that there is no point saying something to someone unless he interprets it correctly. And we made it very, very structured. Very, very structured, that anyone who joins TIC and goes through the content, you will not believe, but if you do that, if you are able to do that, you will make a video of yourself and say, wow, just like other members do. So dedication is required, and it's very, very structured. So if you are thinking to join the course, which somehow got delayed, you can join TIC, right? So this is very, very clear. People think that, should I join the course or the TIC? See, when TIC was started, it was differentiated from the course that we were making. But now TIC takes almost all my waking hours, right? And it turned out to be as good as a course. So if you wanted to join the course, you can do TIC. Now it has two major components: TIC channel, the repository of wisdom, right? So channel is a one-way medium where only I and a couple of fellow admins can post, and that's the structured part of our learning, right? So when you join, you will be given access to the channel and you can navigate through the content in a sequential manner because it is all structured. And the second component is TIC Workspace. So Workspace is a community. In fact, when we started TIC, we didn't think of Workspace, right? But after a few days, 15-20 days, I decided to open a separate group wherein members can communicate with each other. They can ask queries and I participate there and all that. So lots of dynamism, happens in TIC. And all the posts done in the channel are automatically posted in Workspace. So when I post something in the channel, it automatically gets into the Workspace. But when I post something specifically in the Workspace, that does not get posted in the channel, so that there is no noise in the channel. So the channel remains a sequenced repository of content, because in the Workspace all kinds of talks happen, right, which are not relevant to a new learner. And there are some times when my answer to certain query in the Workspace is very, very important, right, which should be part of the channel, but we don't do that. Rather we hyperlink that query resolution, and we will give you that once you will reach some stage in the TIC. We will do all of that. That's practical logistics. We will take care of all of that. I just wanted to give you the structure. So the way ahead. Now you will be admitted into the same channel, right? So we have a channel, as I said, which is the repository, one-way repository of sequential structured content, that if anybody is focused, dedicated and hardworking enough to go through the content in the sequential manner, his life will change. This is my promise, right? And even now when I'm saying this, it's an understatement. So the channel remains uniform across all the batches, right? So when batch 4 joined in December, they got into the same channel, right, which the batch 1 and batch 2 and batch 3 share. So all the new members will be admitted in the same channel. The channel contains a repository of all the posts, audios, videos, ebook, etc. done till date, which you have to go through in a sequential manner. Sequence is important. You will feel the urge to go directly to videos and all that, but that will defeat the purpose. Remember, content is important only when consumed in a context. Right? It happens. It happens. We have experienced that with batch 2, batch 3, batch 4 members, even batch 1 members, who started late. There were people who joined in batch 1, but they didn't start their learning for, let's say, 2 months or 3 months. And then after 3 months, they realized, the kind of effect the learnings were, having on other members. So they decided to, take it seriously. And then they started with the channel right from the top. And they had this feeling of being overwhelmed, that there is so much content. But then trading is meant to be serious. There will always be so much of content. You cannot become a trader just like that. Just imagine if you don't join TIC and, let's say you decide to self-train yourself, you will have to read countless books, right? So that content is already there, no? But what makes it different is that when you read a book and you read some content, you read a book and you have some query, you do not have the author of that book with you to solve that query. And if you interpret something wrongly, so you believe that you have understood that, but you have interpreted it in a wrong manner, the teacher will not correct you because the author has written the book. But here, when you are getting the repository of content and you are going through that, we will be hand-holding you. We will be making sure that you interpret it correctly. We will be resolving your queries. So it's like reading books with the author of that book sitting beside you, right? So this is the universe that we have created. The content in the channel can be navigated using the calendar feature of Telegram. So you can make self-targets. It's not less than a civil services preparation. So come ready for that. There is a feature called calendar feature wherein, let's say the channel began on 7th of October 2019. And, you can make self-targets that, within a week, I will finish or I will go through at least 20 days of the content. And you can do that because, when the content was being made, there were times when, for a few days I didn't post anything, right? So members had to wait for the content. You do not have to wait for anything. That's the good part. Everything is right in front of you, right? So break the content into compartments and make self-targets that I am starting from 7th of October, right? And within a week, I will finish, let's say, the month of October. Then I will start the month of November. Within 15 days or a week, I will finish the month of November. And it is doable, right? And we will be with you all the way, right? So you have to make self-targets. There is, as I said, it's hard work. It's like civil services. It's not less than that. Why do they say that trading is the hardest business? And see, I am not giving you any false promises. I'm not saying that, you will be a millionaire or hidden secrets or, 5 RSI techniques to become a master trader. No, we don't do all that kind of stuff here. We do serious business here, serious learning, right? So when they say that trading is a difficult business, that's what it means. So I am giving you the reality. And I know that, this presentation of reality might cost me some members. Some members may not join now. There would have been some people who wanted to join, but now they will not. Wow, that is wonderful. So we only want dedicated, focused, serious people, I've explained a lot about that. You will not be directly admitted to the existing workspace as members there have reached a certain level. So as I said, you will be admitted into the same channel, right? So channel is the repository of data. But in the workspace where we have, members, community, where they talk with each other on day-to-day basis, there are thousands of messages every day, right? So if I take you there, you will get puzzled. Though you don't have to read anything, right? You don't have to read workspace from the start because they are just query resolutions. And when the time comes, I will give you specific links of specific answers in the workspace that you have to go through, not the entire workspace, right? So we will not take you in the workspace from day one. Rather, after 20-30 days of admission, you will be added to a transition workspace. right? So we will make a separate workspace for new members where you will be given hand holding in terms of query resolution, because you will be at a different level from the existing members, right? So your queries will be different from the queries of what existing members have. So we will make a separate workspace for you after 20-30 days. Why 20-30 days? Because it will take that amount of time, for you to get in sync, the feel, the culture. So 20-30 days, once you will begin your learning and you will reach some place, some milestone in your learning, then we'll open a transition workspace for you. And finally, once I will feel that now most of you have finished up to some specific point, some important milestone, then we will close that transition workspace and we will put you in the main workspace with all the members, right? And because then, your lingo, your vocabulary will be same as everybody else, right? And then we will give you links of important messages that I have done in the workspace, that existing workspace, so that you can go through all the query resolutions and all that. Because when you have a query, the sign of a trader is that he has to be very, very alert, mentally alert, agile, and very, very focused. What happens is, I have seen people in when I used to run an office, there was somebody sitting, a guy sitting. He has a computer in front of him, he has a watch on his wrist, and he is asking his fellow employee, time kya hua hai? What is the time? These kind of people cannot become a trader. So let's say I give you a brochure of 15 pages which contains everything, and then you ask me, what is the duration of the membership? It means that you haven't read the brochure. How will you read the content? Even in Facebook, when I say something and then somebody asks something and I answer that, then in the next comment somebody asks the same thing, and I feel how this guy is planning to become a trader if he didn't see the message above his own comment where I answered the same thing. So you have to be very, very agile. That is why I said civil servant, IAS kind of preparation. So you have to be very, very agile, and you have to be, when you have a query, first you have to try, think, put your mind into it, try to solve it with whatever you know till then, right? Then search whether it has already been answered, right? Then you mature enough. Because if something comes in your mind and you straight away ask, how will you get matured? How will you make that material your own? Right? So, we have a learning approach in TIC, what we call ABCD. When you join TIC, you will know that. So wonderful. As I say, lives are being changed. So all in all, TIC is not a cakewalk, right? It's a serious transformation journey meant for serious people, and it takes serious effort and commitment from our side to create content and resolve queries. Hence, we expect at least half of that work and commitment from your side, right? So as I always say in TIC to all the members, I will take 10 steps if you take one, but you have to take one, right? If you are not ready to take even that one, nothing will help. Nothing will help. And I can assure you, once you join TIC, you can close your eyes to everything else. You will realize that, when you will start going through the content. But you have to be serious about it. So interested learners can email at info@welcometotfs.com, and those who have already mailed, no matter how long back, right, will start getting response in a couple of days from now. And along with the detailed brochure of the phenomena called TIC, read that brochure carefully, word by word, and follow the instructions mentioned therein. Right? We work very, very hard. So, what was the need to make this video? It's work, right? It's hard work. What is the need to make it? The need is to give you the real picture. That that TIC is not some weekend webinar that you can just join and start making money. Because that does not work. Because when you do that, you are basically at the same level where you started. There are so many people who are wandering here and there for last many years. Right? They do this webinar, then they do that seminar, and then they do this, course and all that. And then they say, but I am at the same level where I was. So if you are mindset kind of person, TIC is not the place, right? So I think with this you have fair enough idea of what TIC is, what it stands for. And many members are saying in the email that have some EMI policy for payments. Well, please understand, you must have gone through this video, right? Personally speaking, if you ask any TICN, they will tell you that they have made a mistake when they chose for a 6-month subscription. We get emails where people ask us what is the how can we subscribe for lifetime, because when you will see the content, you will realize we are not making Maggie here. You will realize that, right? So if you are in it for the long haul, TIC is the place for you, right? So with this I sign off, and I welcome you all, right? If you think you have it in you, and you have the right kind of mindset and the right kind of understanding and the ability to work hard and the dedication and the belief and the passion, if you feel that, the doors of TIC are open for you, right? So you will start getting the responses to the mails from next week. See you on the inside.